Okay. That here. Come here. Now you're on it. How are you? How are you? The last time the picture was making a security. You record. You know the difference between American prison or jail and Ghanaian one is that when you put them in a snap picture of you. Am I lying? Yes. In America. Then they make you write your name and your number. Do like this. Do like this. As you go, they put the guy picture on the. I entered there, I saw the guy picture. I said, this guy should follow the people they sack. But that's the price you pay when you follow a ball.
You go to jail.
Now let us talk about business. This is the class building. Well, it happens to you such a good. Because the reason why they're saying that you find is come and die here. You have a sister class. How are you? Good. So, who is the assistant school president? Hey, yeah. That is not competition. Okay, that's good. I heard that there are two assistants, or?
Yes.
One is called. Oh, they load safe. You sick already. Are you sick? If you become sick, you can give it to these guys. You want sick. Or you don't want it. So who is the school social president or entertainment? Ben. So Ben, what are you doing for the school so far? Today is Valentine.
So we have the
and they come to your class, okay? Yes, you never see camera before. So, you said you are preparing what? Okay.
we are having a small.
Who owns this bag? Oh my goodness. My daughter is carrying this for you, you are carrying. Are you a bag? Hey! I said, wow. So since nothing sleep, you carry this bag each time. You've done well. And except tomorrow you're planning. Yeah, this is more. But this one is dangerous. I use it to carry the mother. What are you saying there?
We are planning a small get together.
Oh, small get together?
Yeah,
but that's good.
But like, can't do anything today.
Okay. So, how is it going to be like? Is it going to be couple, or what?
No, it's.
No, there's nothing wrong.
Friends, yeah.
Oh, that's. When you meet friends, is it boy and boy or boy and girl? Boy and girl. Why? This is a mixed school. This is a mixed school. You have to mix. You know what I'm saying? Yes. This is a mixed school. You have to do what? Okay? You don't need to. No. Everything fine. So, do you have everything ready for it?
Yes. Everything.
So, who is the assistant? This one. You chose her or she chose herself?
I chose her.
You chose her. So, what is your plan for tomorrow? Nah, she doesn't know. And this is entertainment. Okay. So, my friend, what is the position finally? Or you don't know anything? Education. Hey, that is good though. And you that is chatting now. What? Oh yeah, in charge of the car. Somebody needs to be in charge of something. Okay, you want the position of the car? What is your problem? This one has some. Are you sure? It's okay. You didn't drink enough water. Because some people, sometimes something no. But the thing I don't understand is that why are you laughing like this? Laughing. Why? When I got when I went and swept the stairs, is he bad? No. Oh, okay. You say I prefer to? Health. You see how this is? Lab. But I should have made him to go and sweep the lab. So what, do you have any post? Oh, seriously? No. It's not. So what is your position? I know. That is the place you write it down. You see what I was asking whether you are sitting today? Everything is just working perfectly. So how many eggs did you do? One. Okay. Like this. Two are you sure? Yeah, but I noticed some problems in the dining board. And now you go to use it. Some people don't have plates. Are you dining board? Everything you drop into. We send it to the company. You say you are the dining board. Do you have an assistant? Who is that? You? No wonder I see you doing something. So, and you then wait. So, do you have a post? Oh, it looks like everybody here has something.
Yes, we all have something.
Seriously? Is that the way it is?
Yes.
Okay, so what is your one? Hey, mistake.
Hey, come on. Lay down.
You should make me fresh. I do have a cutting Okay, I think I'm done with this class. The main thing I wanted to do with you people was to shoot some adverts with you.